Hi, my name is Saksit Suetrong with iA-ROBOTICS. I am the founder and CEO. iA-ROBOTICS is a exclusive FANUC robotics integrator. We started in 2008, mainly focused on OEM automotive wheel manufacturing. We have developed systems from casting to machining to painting to packaging. The challenge has always been deburring. As you know, that's just a little bit about us. Through the years, we've worked in different markets: aerospace, food packaging, and warehousing. We are located in Southern California, so warehousing and aerospace is pretty big. Some of the applications that we've developed recently is material removal, deburring, drilling, machine load application, palletizing, and vision systems. Okay, so deburring has always been a challenge for us ever since we started. And the challenge was every cast, it wasn't consistent. There was too much variation. It required a talented operator to be able to set up a part, and we needed to maintain high speed and consistent quality. So our solution, by utilizing FANUC's cat-to-path, we developed a unique algorithm that does not require a talented operator to set up a part. We also utilize a FANUC IR vision to locate the part, and we also utilize FANUC's aux-axis system to position the part to maintain 20 micron tolerance. So the solution is we also needed a pneumatic compliant environmental. We chose ATI, and we have partnered with ATI because of the reliability and the robustness of the tool in the environment. Typically, the systems that we've developed will run 24/7, lights out, and we cannot have the tool fail. So we're utilizing the ATI's RC300 deburring tool. Again, our ATI has been very supportive with us to develop this application. Our systems has been running in production for the past year, 24/7, nonstop. Worldwide, we have customers in China, Mexico, and Germany. And if the tool would break down, we would have to send our engineers out to service. And to this date, we have not had one tool fail. Some of the features of our system. Again, our system does not require a talented operator. We utilize a cat. If you have a cat file of the part, we can generate the path automatically. And with the parameters that we have developed, it flows through the software, and you can be up and running with a new part in 30 minutes or less. Our system can store 100 plus different part styles, and that can always be increased once if needed by upgrading the memory on the robot. Our systems, typically we don't use any third-party PLC, we use only FANUC. So everything that FANUC provides, the hardware, it's already built in. It's the software that we developed that makes it unique. This is a runoff at our facility. So there's no special operating costs. We have shown that we double production, we have improved productivity, and we have improved employee satisfaction. This task, typical standard automotive wheel manufacturing produces about 500,000 wheels a month, and it would be operated 3 shifts, 8 hours a shift, that would be deburring these parts. And what they have found is they would have inconsistent quality after lunchtime or graveyard shift. So we've eliminated that. To set our lab so this is at our lab in Southern California. This is our version 3.0 deburring system that we're working on. Some of the tests that we've performed. And as you know, castings, they vary just because of the different molds that they use. And with the ATI pneumatic compliant tool, it allows us that flexibility in combination with the vision system. So the blue light that you're seeing is actually a vision system running in real time. We're constantly monitoring the feature, the burr, and the finish. So we're doing a real-time analysis. As we're cutting, we're making sure that we're cutting the deburr, because there's instances where the flash is too thick, the deburring tool will just go over. A lot of times for castings too, you have different elevation, the height varies, and again with the compliant tool, that helps us with the flexibility. We're not using a tool changer, so typically different features requires different tooling. And I can show you a picture of our standard inline systems. Each one of these systems will deburr a different feature of the wheel. And the reason we do this is because cycle time. We needed to process this wheel under a minute maximum. So the conveyor, this is our inline version, this is version 2.0. And each deburring station deburrs a different feature of the wheel. And the conveyor system would send the wheels to different locations. This is kind of our, this is at our lab, we're just testing this system here. Again, even though we're clamping the wheel, I mean, there is some flexibility, the part's never perfect. But by utilizing the vision system, we can locate that, and as you can see, we're deburring. If there's no burr on one side, the robot will ignore it. So we're doing a live feedback. We're determining is there a burr or not. If there's no burr, we're not going to bother cutting the feature. So we call it a unique smart algorithm that we're defining this feature. And again, we have to cut it under a minute. And that's it. We wanted to keep it short, be specifically on the ATI's partnership and so forth. If there's any questions. Okay, thank you.